Today I am going to show you a new recipe of my own style to some extent, Kaju Gobi. This particular dish is of a sweet style to some extent where everybody will enjoy by consuming this dish. You can take it as a side dish for chapati, roti, naan, paratha, etc. Now let us see what all ingredients are needed for the same. Now for this dish preparation I have taken around 1.5 kg of full gobi. It's made into a small flower style. It should be washed and then only we prepare about it. And for that you should fry first. So for the frying we need these items. There is 1 cup of maida, 1 cup of bowl of corn flour, little milk, little honey, and a coloring agent, red color agent. This, if only you are interested, you can put, otherwise not necessary also. Next is 1 bowl of small onions, the big onion, that is around 4 big onion, and 1 bowl of kaju, then 1 bowl of big bowl of milk cream, and 7 to 8 green chilies. These are all for grinding, gravy purpose. And the rest is added salt, which how much you need, that much. Then kasuri methi, curd, jeera powder, garlic, ginger, little pepper powder, and 1 small bowl, that is small bowl of sugar. Then for spreading out, 3 tomatoes, 2 capsicum, and for frying purpose, butter. Now I have rinsed the full gobi, and for mixing no more water is needed because it's already wet. दूसरा वाटर नहीं चाहिए. First you add the milk thoroughly. Now the corn flour. Again the maida. Again the honey. As I told you, this is optional. If you want, you can add, otherwise you can just leave it. Now you just mix it. Now I have mixed the full gobi with the batter, and now we'll slowly start frying. A little more medium flame is necessary for frying this gobi because everything is raw in this case. So we'll have this until this lather lessens, it won't get fried. So we'll just go on, twist it this side and that side. Now the gobi is almost fried. It almost took 10 minutes to get it fried. Now we will just transfer to a small pour vessel. Now the next procedure is grinding of kaju and onion. We shall just shift it to the mixie bowl. This is milk cream. Now I preheated the pan and I am putting butter to it. Now I am going to put this kaju gravy, kaju and onion gravy towards it. Add a little more milk so that it gets dissolved very fast. Now we will wait for 5 minutes so that it gets cooked. The gravy gets cooked to some extent. Usually in North India this is known as Phool Gobi, but we generally tell gobi only in South India, or cauliflower. ऐसा I'm adding this salt, table salt, jeera powder, a little sugar, pepper powder, and kasuri methi. Finally, this curd. Now this garlic and ginger that we are going it for final garnishing. Not now. That we have to fry separate in butter and then only you have to add with the sabji. Now we will wait for 5 minutes to get it cooked. I'll cover this with a lid and wait for 5 minutes. Now just let us just see whether it's cooked or not. Well cooked. Yes. Now the gravy is well cooked. Now we'll add capsicum, then this tomatoes. Now finally we'll add the gobi. Now our kaju gobi or kaju cauliflower or else kaju full gobi is ready, and it's a beautiful dish where children will really enjoy, and I assure you about that. It will be semi-dry sabji. It is not dry as well as not gravy liquid. Yes. Now let us season by putting garlic and ginger. Seasoning like this gives that kaju gobi a different flavor, aroma and taste also. We'll just wait for 1 or 2 minutes till everything goes a light brown in color. Okay, fine. Now I am going to put this seasoned garlic and ginger to the main pan. Now our kaju gobi is ready. See how nice it is. The look itself is, both children as well as veterans like me will enjoy this particular sabji so nicely, and I think you also will, and everybody will enjoy. So please, at least once you cook at home and let me know about it. Have a nice day. Thank you.